Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I will show you how to add profile photo or profile picture or avatar in BeReal app. So the first thing you have to do is you have to obviously create a profile on BeReal here. As you can see, this is our profile right here. Now if you notice, you can actually go to three dots, but you won't be able to change your profile photo this way. So you'll have to go here to edit my profile. Then once you're on edit your profile, you can click here. Now here you can take a picture where you're taking your picture from your phone, or you can pick from your camera roll or gallery, right? Now after you pick a picture or take a picture, you can go here and you can basically click on this icon right here, and then you'll be able to get your picture right here, as you can see. So that's pretty much how to do it. It's really simple, really straightforward. If you want more tutorials like this on BeReal and everything around BeReal, then definitely check out our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you guys for watching.